Do you believe you could start a manufacturing business in your garage with just $4,000? In this video, we're diving into some different small business ideas you can start from home, right in your garage. From mini machines of Industriel, we explore affordable machines and unique product ideas to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. A compact napkin production machine is an affordable and efficient solution for making small napkins. The process begins with feeding a roll of tissue paper into the machine. The paper is embossed with patterns, folded in half or quarters, and then cut to the desired size. The machine operates with minimal supervision, making it ideal for small businesses or startups. These machines are typically priced between $2,500 and $4,000, offering a cost-effective way to produce high-quality napkins for restaurants, cafes, or retail packaging. Small benchtop drilling and milling machine, a versatile tool for precise drilling and milling on metal, wood, or plastic, designed for compact workshops or hobbyists. It combines drilling and milling functions in one machine, allowing users to drill holes and shape materials using various cutting tools. The machine has adjustable speeds, and the milling head moves in multiple axes, allowing precise material shaping. Just clamp the workpiece, select the speed, and start shaping or drilling. Prices vary widely, from $500 for basic models up to $3,000 or more for advanced models with extra features and higher precision.
The first Samurai, the ultimate desktop CNC machine that brings industrial-grade precision into a compact, user-friendly design for hobbyists and professionals alike. Here's how it works. Using advanced CNC, computer numerical control, technology, the first Samurai transforms digital designs into precise, physical parts by automatically moving cutting tools along 3 axes. Simply load your design file, and the machine does the rest. Cutting, carving, and milling with stunning accuracy on materials like wood, metal, and plastic. As for the cost, it typically ranges between $3,000 to $5,000, depending on additional features and accessories.
Starting a bottled water business from your garage? This automatic pure water bottling machine is perfect for you, with prices ranging from $4,000 to $8,000. The process begins with rinsing each bottle, ensuring it's clean. Then, the machine precisely fills the bottles with pure, filtered water. Next, the capping unit seals them tight. And finally, it applies labels for a professional finish. With this setup, you can produce up to 3,000 bottles per hour, ideal for small businesses looking to grow without a big warehouse. Watch how a self-tapping screw machine works: draws wire, forms heads, rolls threads, and heat treats all in one go. Cost? A complete line ranges from $85,000 to $215,000, depending on the setup. And there you have it, some affordable small business ideas you can start with minimal space and under $4,000. Which one of these business ideas spoke to you? Drop your favorite idea in the comments below. If you want more of this ideas, please subscribe and like it, and let me know in the comments.